Hello everybody. Now in this video we will discuss about the example 2, means type 2. Examples sets on sets chapter we are doing the examples type 2. That is, write the subsets. Write the subsets for the each of the following. Two sets are given, two questions. Set A or set A like that not given. So set 1. First set given. First question is set P comma Q and second question is x comma y comma z elements. X, y, z are the elements in the second set. So here we have to write the subsets of the given set. How to write subsets? We have already learnt. The formula is 2 power n. The formula is 2 power n to find the subsets for the given set. What is n here? N. Here how many elements are there? 2 elements. So n value is 2. Here how many elements are there in set 2? 3 elements. N value is 3. The elements, how many elements are present in each set? That is called as n here. N. Yes. Write the subsets 2 power n we have got. So how we will be writing the example first one given P comma Q. Formula is 2 power n, 2 square 4. Here n value 2 because 2 elements are there 2. 2 square 2 into 2 4. So we will be getting the 4 subsets. 4 subsets of the given PQ. We have to write those. Whole, full for whole we have to take one set. In that every null set is a subset of every set and every set is a subset to itself. These are the two formulas or two statements we have to consider while finding the subset. First one is null set is a subset of every set. X, Y, Z is there. In this set also null set will come. Hence we will take null set is a subset of every set. And second statement is given set is a set is subset to itself. Given set is subset to itself. X, Y, Z is there. So here in the whole set, in the subsets whole we are doing the, in that X, Y, Z will come. These are the two statements here. And we will be writing the individuals. And the different ways of writing the given set. We will be writing here. So P individual will write. Set P, set Q, and now only we have discussed. Every set is subset to itself. P comma Q. 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer also we have got as 4 subsets. Hence these are the subsets. Null set, set P, set Q, set P comma Q are the subsets of the given set P comma Q. This is the first one. Now we will be discuss the second one given X, Y, Z. Same, that also in the same way we have to do. 2 power n is the formula for that also. Here first one we have taken 2 elements. In the second one they have given 3 elements in this. X, Y, Z. So 2 power n which is 2 cube which is 8 answer. 8 subsets we are going to get. 8 subsets. Here why 3? N is 3 because 3 elements are there in the given set. X, Y, Z 3 elements. इसलिए n value 3 हो गया. हाँ, अब subsets लिखना है whole. Whole as a whole में क्या होता है? Null set is subset of every set. Null set आ जाएगा. और फिर the next step is we have to write the all individual elements as set. X, Y, Z. Individual elements we are writing. Next, there is a possibility we will get as XY also. XY and YZ also we get. YZ, XZ. XZ is also the one of the one of the subset of the given set. and last is x, y, z. As we discussed, every set is a subset to itself. Null set is subset of every set. Yes, these are the 8 subsets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 we have got now. Here answer also 8 subsets we are getting. So this is the correct answer. Subsets of the given set. Null set, individuals x, y, z. Next combination of 2, 2. ऐसा x, y, y, z, x, z और z, x. हम ऑर्डर नहीं ले सकते हैं इधर. ऑर्डर कुछ भी हो तो भी हमें कुछ नहीं होता, तो इधर हम एक्स जेड या जेड एक्स भी ले सकते हैं. यह सबसेट्स है. राइट हाउ टू फाइंड इफ द क्वेश्चन इज गिवन. राइट सबसेट्स फॉर द ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेट्स एंड नेम द सबसेट. नेम द सबसेट मीन्स यही है. इसको राइट द सबसेट मीन्स 8 सबसेट्स आएगा, वो 8 सबसेट्स हमें लिखना चाहिए. थैंक यू.